Guys, so ngayon babalik na naman tayo ulit dito. So 13 na ito guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 guys. So ang ingay nila tapos 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At tapos 3 is still 3 is still 1, 2, 2, 3. 3 is still tapos guys 4. Ito. 4 dito. 4 dito tapos umpisa guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito. Tapos ang kanyang room ay 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Ito yung room. Okay.